Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have another pleasing unboxing. I love the pleasing nail kits, and they just came out with a new kit, a partnership with fashion designer Marco Ribeiro. Each polish has a name in Portuguese, so I'll put all the names down in the description below. First of all, we have a vibrant orange jelly polish, a glossy aquamarine cream polish, a vibrant green matte polish, and a glossy burgundy cream polish. I was so excited that they came out with new colors. I love everything Harry Styles. I even love Don't Worry Darling. Let me know if you've had a chance to go see it, and let me know in the comments below how you like the movie. And then here underneath the polish, we have the packet with the famous pleasing sticker. We also have a variety of colorful nail decals. The first color I tried was the orange jelly polish, and jelly is such a great word to describe this one. It is smooth and just gives a small pop of color. Next, my favorite color ended up being this beautiful aquamarine. The vibrant green reminded me of the 80s. Not my favorite, but I like it when it's paired with the other colors. And then finally, the classic glossy burgundy. It just goes on smooth and beautiful. That was it. That was everything in my pleasing unboxing. This Marco Ribeiro collection also has new hoodies, a multi-use gloss, and some powder and cream pigments. You can check it out on pleasing.com. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.